In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the Add to Cart button in Shopify Sense theme. We'll cover two clear approaches, one that uses the theme editor with no code, and another that uses a quick CSS snippet for a global hide. I'll also explain what each method does so you can choose the one that fits your store. First, the no-code route in the theme editor. This is ideal if you want full control over where the button shows, and it's the safest way to manage it per template. From your Shopify admin, go to Online Store, then Themes, and click Customize on your Sense theme. At the top, open the Template dropdown and switch to Products, then select Default Product or the specific product template you want to adjust. In the left sidebar, under Product Information blocks, look for the block labeled Buy Buttons. Click the eye icon to hide it. This instantly removes both Add to Cart and Buy Now on any product using that template. Be sure to hit Save. If you want this change to apply to all products, hide the Buy Buttons block in the default product template. If you want some products to remain buyable and some not, create a new product template, for example, Not for Sale. Hide the Buy Buttons block in that template, save it, and then assign that template to the products you want disabled. This keeps your catalog flexible without touching code. Now, the quick global option with CSS. This is great for a catalog-only setup or a fast, site-wide hide. From Shopify admin, go to Themes, then Edit Code. Open your main CSS file, often assets base.css in Sense, or whichever file controls your theme styles. Scroll to the bottom and add this. Hide. Add to Cart. Buy buttons globally. Product form buttons. Display none. Important. If your Sense version uses a different selector, you can also target the button directly with Product form SAS submit. Display none. Important. Save your changes, then refresh a product page to confirm the buttons no longer display. Keep in mind, this CSS approach hides the buttons visually. It doesn't change any back-end logic. It's perfect for quickly disabling purchases or using inquiry forms instead, but customers could still reach checkout if there are other paths. So test thoroughly. Whichever method you choose, preview on desktop and mobile, and double-check multiple products to be sure everything looks consistent. Save your changes, and you're done.